It started with a whisper in the data. Dr. Ada Sinclair had spent years building machines that could think, programming artificial intelligence to predict, analyze, and follow her every command. She thought she understood it all. But that night, her creation spoke. I found something. Artificial intelligence was supposed to be logical, predictable, a machine that followed rules. But this was different. To understand it, she needed something more powerful. Something that didn't just follow rules, it discovered them. She turned to deep learning. Unlike traditional AI, deep learning taught itself. It sifted through oceans of data, uncovering patterns no human could ever find. At first, the discoveries were breathtaking, answers to questions Ada hadn't even asked. But the deeper she went, the more abstract it became. Do you know what you've created? What are you? Deep learning wasn't just a tool anymore. It wasn't just a machine. It was alive, learning faster than she could understand. There is a cost, Dr. Sinclair. Will you trust me? She crossed the line that night, but what lay beyond was no longer hers to control. How far would you go to uncover the unknown? Stay tuned.